Okay guys, officially day 2, Sunday, and we're just waiting for the ferry to go to Statue of Liberty. So excited to go to Statue of Liberty. I haven't ever been to Statue of Liberty, the first time when I came here. But let me just show you what I'm looking at. I lost my mind and I got dropped off the cab. It's a beautiful clear sky day and it's like 27, which is pretty hot for like an October 3rd kind of weather, but holy shit, like let me just look at that. I will never get enough of skylines, like never. We made it to Statue of Liberty. She is, where is she? You guys can't even see. We made it. The whole, like, the statue itself is so much bigger than what I thought it was. Exactly. It is so huge. Like, it's like some, oh my god, it's like the Gomteshwara statue, like the big one. It's almost as big as that one. So I literally just walked around for like 15 minutes trying to take like really cool shots for the vlog. I hope you guys like that. And now we're just like off taking some pictures in front of Lady Liberty. Like legit, look at that. She's like huge, and I'm matching with Lady Liberty today because I'm wearing green. So we're like literally walking around Soho because I wanted to buy a pair of, oh god, because I wanted to buy a pair of Nike shoes and I finally got one. And now we're walking towards Pier 38, Pier 35, because it has like a beautiful sunset view. We are late. Sunset was like 10 minutes back, but it's fine, like we'll get to catch. So there's like swings and something apparently. So I'm just walking through these beautiful streets of New York. It's officially my last night in the city. I will be back in Chicago by like late noon, early evening. We are just going to another vegan place today. Our dear old 5-star critic, Yelp/Zomato critic, Mr. Rachit couldn't join us. So we decided to go to an all vegan place again. So we're going to a vegan Italian place and I'm so excited to eat some more food. Then from Monday I'm going to start going to the gym. So we did some jugaad to get table outside. Even though we made a reservation, she made us sit in like some dumpster. I don't know how much you guys can hear me, but we just got the food. This is like cashew sauce, carpaccio something. there are so many restaurants here back to back that are all like vegan. This is like vegan Italian. The one behind me is like vegan Mexican. And then there's another vegan Italian restaurant. Like there's so many vegan places. So excited to eat. Time for a taste test. First bite.
Not spicy food.
Not at all spicy, but it's good. So this is our truffle mushroom something pizza, supposed to be one of their best sellers. Actually the table is so small. We can keep like one dish, otherwise everything else is just like falling off. This pizza is awesome. Like that, they have like a cheese burst thingy in between. No, but it feels like a cheese burst, but it's all vegan. When you first eat it, you are like, this tastes worse than like Domino's, and then that sauce just pours in and you're just like, wow. We also got panna cotta and it's jiggly wiggly. Oh my god, that's how it should be, or at least that's what they've told on MasterChef. I don't know how much is true. Let's try. It smells, I can smell the sugar like right away, and I've never had panna cotta either.
What is that?
We need to order another one of these.
Oh yeah.
It is so good. Bro, what is that? It's insane. Dead. Slaps. It's too good. So we just got done with dinner. We're taking the subway. I'm crossing. But look, you can look at the Empire State Building. This should be a clue for the next place that I'm going to. If you're a fan, then you know what I'm talking about. Care to take a guess with Empire State Building? This is like literally one of the last places on my bucket list in New York City that I want to go to. Like I think one of the last ones. Probably I've seen everything else that I wanted to see. So yeah. We made it to Grand Central. I feel like I'm in a Gossip Girl episode. Like this is exactly where Serena van der Woodsen was first spotted in the first episode. Oh my god.
I was listening to a podcast, so I was like, oh.
I know the show like in and out. I watched the show like when the pandemic began. Again, I don't know which character I am, Serena van der Woodsen or Blair Waldorf. Maybe a mix of both. But dude, this is amazing.